Good morning. It's the first day of December. I'm off on a solo bike ride. I think I'm going to go down to Crystal Cove. It's so beautiful down there. And it's a nice easy pedal. It's a nice day. It's probably double-digit Celsius, 11, 12, about 52, 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty quiet out here. So I'm down here on the Mariner's Mile, and my son used to come down to Sea Base. They had an old ketch wooden sailboat, two-masted wooden sailboat, but I guess it became unseaworthy and they would no longer let them take it out. But we used to take out their little 18-foot, I think they were El Toros, and go to the end of the jetty. I never get tired of looking at this. So fascinating. It's like a private chapel. And the front just seems to remind me of the Hobbit out in the Shire. Now I'm told this house used to belong to Bette Davis when it was way out of town. But we're at the view. Ocean and poppy. A little hazy. Can't see Catalina. Definitely won't be able to see San Clemente Island. Well, we'll see if this house in the next block, who had the fabulous Halloween decorations, if they've got their Christmas decorations up. It's a little early. It's only December 1. You know, but some people are into it. And they do. It's a Walt Disney Christmas with Sasquatch and Star Wars. Okay, today we're going to do extra credit down to Cameo Shores. I usually avoid this kind of stuff, but it's been a long time. So as much fun as that was to bomb down there at 50 kilometers, 30 miles an hour, you know what that means? That's right. Got to climb out. And here it begins. Getting off the highway and down on the path at Crystal Cove State Park. It's lovely. To the right is Pelican Point. Been down there. We're going to go this way. There's that blimp again. Heading down to the vistas. Good little gravel action here. Marty Supreme. Little self-promotion. I guess if you got a blimp, you're going to use it. above the tide pools. Very popular place. They're looking for sea life. Beautiful beach here at Crystal Cove. Raccoon bot. Across the street from the restaurant and bar. Got a nice view from the restaurant patio. They're getting ready to set up all their Christmas decorations. Got a spot staked out for their tree. And those are the stairs up to the Shake Shack. Coming up to the world famous Shake Shack on Pacific Coast Highway. Just off Pacific Coast Highway is a lovely trail that runs parallel, and you can take your time. Enjoy the views. Beautiful view from the south end of the park. You see the tide pools. Should be some adventures down there. Taking a break at Crystal Cove. Doesn't get much nicer than this. Don't see those every day.